Here's the new Chevrolet for you.
With premium safety features such as OnStar, the 6 standard airbags, tire pressure monitor, and more, you'll travel with confidence in the Silverado today. Plus, innovations in capability extend all the way from the hood to the hitch. Improvements like the boxed front frame, the larger axles, and available max trailering package allows Silverado to offer a class-leading trailering capacity of up to 12,000 pounds.
But savings this big won't last long. Come visit Edmore Sawgrass Auto Mall today. We're conveniently located at 14401 West Sunrise Boulevard, just off the Sawgrass Expressway at Exit 1 in Sunrise. Visit our website at edmoresawgrass.com or call us today at 1-866-475-9448.